Management as we know it is dead. In an AI-driven world, you don't supervise people, you design systems. The new mandate for leaders is to move from being a controller to being an architect. You are no longer the operator, you are the creator of the machine. But you must have the wisdom. The machine can find the how, but only you can define the why. In 2025, the most valuable skill isn't coding or data science, it's judgment. You are the moral compass of the AI factory. The strategy is clear. Automate the core and empower the edge. Let the algorithms handle the routine so your people can handle the exceptions. Your job is to remove humans from the critical path of execution and move them to the path of innovation. You are the guardian of the black box. You must ensure that as your company scales, it doesn't lose its soul or its accountability. Transparency and ethics are the only things that will keep the public's trust in an age of synthetic reality. The choice is simple. Your company will either become an AI factory or it will become a memory. There is no middle ground. The age of AI isn't coming, it's already here. The only question left is, are you ready to lead it? Thank you for joining me on this journey through the new rules of business. The future is yours to build. Subscribe for more insights. Stay curious.